First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create an AI music video, start by choosing the song or music track you want to build the visuals around. Before generating anything, listen to the track and identify its mood, tempo, major sections, and important moments. Decide on a visual concept that matches the music. For example, you could create a futuristic city filled with neon lights, where a performer moves through different locations while the visuals change with the energy of the song. Now divide the music video into several scenes. Plan an opening, verses, chorus sections, transitions, and a strong ending. For each scene, write a detailed VO prompt. Describe the characters, environment, actions, camera movement, lighting, colors, atmosphere, and cinematic style. Generate each scene separately and review the results carefully. If the same performer or character appears throughout the video, keep their appearance, clothing, hairstyle, and other important details consistent. You can use different camera movements to match the energy of the music. For slower sections, try smooth tracking shots or gentle camera movements. For energetic sections, use faster movement, dynamic angles, or dramatic visual changes. Next, place the generated clips into a video editor and synchronize them with the music. Cut scenes according to the rhythm and use visual changes at important musical moments. You can also add transitions, effects, subtitles, lyrics, or other visual elements when appropriate. Before exporting, watch the entire music video with the audio. Check